For today's Tesla Model 3 accessory video, I'm going to showcase this amazing looking dashboard and side trim from Fusion Motorsports, that's Spectre. A white silver looking carbon fiber. Check this out. What's up guys, Myung here from Camera to Freedom. If you guys use your camera to take photos and videos and make YouTube content so that you can live a life of freedom yourself, then hit that like and subscribe and let's go. So for today's Tesla Model 3 accessory video, I'm gonna have to showcase this because I have white Tesla Model 3. My interior is white. My dashboard and the side trim is white, and that's something I never wanted to change. There's always been a carbon fiber cover. There's been color black, wood color. I didn't like the dark color because the white interior to me is what really separates the Tesla from every other car. There's not that many cars out there with white interior because it's easy to get that thing dirty. So a lot of people try to avoid it, but I love the way it looks. And it's easy to clean too, so it's not even a big deal. When it came to the dashboard and the side trim, I needed it to be white. I got a carbon fiber lip on the front side. Rear screen is carbon fiber. A bunch of my accessories, there's carbon fiber coverage you could just put onto it. And I started with one, and now I just have plenty, and I like it, you know, don't judge me. With the front dashboard, there's no way that I was gonna replace that until now. Fusion Motorsports, they are local in California, which I actually really love. You gotta support local. They make high quality dash and side trims. They're not just covers itself, it's a full replacement. They have this thing called Spectre. It's a carbon fiber weave. It's white mixed with silver, gray, and it sparkles in the sun. It looks really nice in the sun. It's like little mini diamonds all over the place. So I love the way that looks. It's very easy to install, of course. You just take out the side trims, and then you just simply pull the dashboard up with your hand, nothing to unscrew, and then put the Spectre dashboard on top of it. And the side trim is very easy too. I just got one of those plastic wedge tools, put it on the side, and just gently pop, and then you just pull it out. It's very easy to do. They just pop out and you just pop it back in. So I'm gonna have the discount code link below, and if you guys do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support. I do have this t-shirt for sale. I got the link below for my t-shirts, so thank you for that. And please leave a comment, just say what's up. Any comment will help out with the algorithm, because as you can see, I definitely need all the help I can get since I actually love doing things like this. So I appreciate all the support. All right, I'll see you next time.